today it's the 29th of July 2021. We have Kivivuorenkuja Stenbergsgränden 5 stakes B here in Martinlaakso, modernized, Länsi-Vantaa, Västra Vantaa, Western Vantaa here in the Helsinki region, Uusi-Maaniland, Finland, with 7 floors and capacity 3 persons of grounds, built in 1969. This has to be let 1969 by ValmetSchlieren, turned 50 years old in 2019. And this residential building has 8 staircases. Let's see what the serial number is. It is VS 1827. Let's try it. It's been inspected this year, 2021. Back to the street level.
But you asked that maintained by Schiller.
Yeah. And so far we have also been to the staircase A here.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for watching. Let's go to the rest of the staircases here. The 6 other staircases in this residential building.
That's it.